Sonya, why do you leave? Sonya, why do you leave? Why did you make me grieve? WhiteLion girls, no need for no say we love and we can't stop loving the dance. Big up. Alright. WhiteLion ladies. I found my Sonya. She has come home to me because she tired to see me living in misery. WhiteLion say, I found my Sonya. She has come home to me because she tired to see me living in misery. One more time again, say it up, yeah, it up, it up, it up, it up, it up. A WhiteLion sound again, in all the dance hall again. It up, yeah, it up, it up, it up, it up, it up, it up. A WhiteLion sound again. Pretty, pretty, pretty baby, I still love you, lady. Yes, pretty, pretty, pretty baby, boy, I really love you so. You could have fall from the highest mountain, you could have fall from the highest tree. Original WhiteLion, no sound boy can juggle like we. Sonya, why do you leave? Why do you leave? Why do you leave? Why did you make me grieve? Why? When she remember us, the love that we used to share, she have to leave her mind and come home cause she don't care. WhiteLion say, eh, WhiteLion say.